Good morning, guys. Welcome back to our channel. I wanted to go to the Korean grocery store today. The Korean grocery store is very well known for things like fresh vegetables. You also get green chilies here, which you get only in the Indian store. Otherwise, places like Target, Walmart, Trader Joe's, Whole Foods, you don't get the green chilies that we Indians like to cook with. So I'm coming to this Korean store and I come here very often. It's just near my house. It's a store called H Mart and they have a lot of Korean options and different Korean noodles and just like Maggi noodles, there are many kinds of Korean instant noodles which we've tried out. They're very good for the meat and fish. They have a large fish counter. But I want to show you some parts of the fruit, vegetables. The kimchi here is very good. Koreans love their kimchi and here you get the authentic ones. My son and I love kimchi. So I'm going to take you in. I want to do a comparison video between this and the Indian store which I've done before. The Indian store is small. It has everything like the masalas and everything and the Indian snacks. But I think for vegetables and fruits, maybe the Korean store is better. So you take a look with me. Come along. Let's enjoy the video together. And of course, Karishma's given me a list because without a list, I can't function. I will also buy many other things, but yes, a list is important from the wife. I've taken 40 minutes of parking. That should be more than enough. I don't think I'll be shopping more than 40 minutes. Just walking around the veggie section. A lot of fruits here.
It is not too late. No one belongs in the badlands.
Buying some gobi.
It is not too late. No one belongs in the
Chilies are good here, I told you.
badlands. Sinking deeper in quicksand. Speeding up
But these are all the selection of kimchi.
the pace. We'll never know what is coming.
All that is kimchi here.
Take my hand, let's start running. I'll let you play this game.
I don't need any kimchi today. These are all the frozen food.
Somehow we'll never change. The night goes, our prime time. Sing it louder, sing it louder. The night goes,
Buy some dumplings.
never change. The night goes, our prime time. Sing
Need some ice cream also.
Sing it louder. The night goes, our lifeline. Sing it louder.
Go ahead. Sorry. It's tough to shoot a video with the cart. So all the fish over here, the live fish.
Sing it louder.
Getting some of the noodles.
In the neon lights, you say you never felt better. Feeling light as a feather. It is not too late. We don't be worrying that
To look at the list again.
you say you never felt better. Feeling light as a feather. It is not too late. We don't be worrying that balance. Our fates are in our own hands. I let you play this game. Somehow it never changed.
Some stir fry sauces also needed.
Somehow it never changed.
Teriyaki sauce and what else should I get? Some oyster sauce. All the sauces are here.
Our prime time. Sing it louder. Sing it louder.
There's all the fish and everything. We got all the fish over here. Salted fish and everything. There's some peeled shrimp. These are all the meats, so the vegetarians please ignore. Chicken. So far the cart is filling up. Bought a lot of chicken which my kids like. They love to eat chicken. Yeah, so these are all the fancy Korean kind of seaweeds, you know. There's kimchi stew. So many things here, guys. Talking with my mask on, I hope you can hear me. Black Forest ham. These are all the sausages here. You won't get all this in the Indian store. Mozzarella. Got some tortillas. Hope you guys like these videos because it's a pain to record this with one hand. Soup. Koreans love seaweed, so there's a lot of seaweed products. Thousands of noodle choices. I think I'm pretty much done. Need to just buy some bread. All the spices here. Alright guys, the car is fully loaded and I think I did a good job, so Karishma should be happy. Hi, how are you? Good. I don't think so. Yeah. So I know that parking lady. She's asking if we are going to school. Sending the kids to school. How are you doing?
I'm good, and you?
Good. I think my meter is good.
I'm here.
What about
yeah.
the school?
Yeah,
I'm not sure about it.
no, because I'm like, are they gonna keep the distance?
Yeah.
And I mean, if one kid brings it in,
Yeah.
all of them is gonna get, no.
And how do they wear this all day, the mask?
No,
It's so
I don't
tough,
think so. I don't
They're
think
gonna
it's really
suffocate.
possible.
Yeah.
I wear it for a little, and I
Yeah.
have to remove it and go inside the car. and remove
Right. It's crazy.
So, yeah.
Stay safe.
You too.
You take care. So that's my friend who's a parking guard. I was just talking to her, but I did not want to videotape her. I don't want to get a ticket. She's a school mom. Yeah, so the parking guard was very worried about the whole school, whether we want to send the kids back to school or whatever. So she's a very sweet lady, but she's a parking guard, and if anyone doesn't pay for the parking meter, she gives them a ticket. She's a good friend of mine, and of course I paid my parking, so she didn't give me a ticket. But that person there just got a ticket, so I feel sad for them. They'll get like a $50 fine in their mail. But that's her job, you can't help it. But she's very sweet. So she's just worried about the kids at school keeping safe distance and everything. Anyways, H Mart, you saw what H Mart was. So yeah, hope you liked the video. I got everything on the list, and I think Indian store is good, but it has restrictions. There's no non-vegetarian, and the Indian store does not sell alcohol. Not that I bought alcohol, but that's just a point I wanted to make. So the veggies, the fruits in the Korean store is very nice, and I hope you like seeing all the kimchi and everything. So going back home, Karishma will unload and help me unload the veggies, and we'll go from there. Once a week vegetable route is important. Grocery trip is important once a week. Alright guys, take care. Hope you like the video. Stay safe. Take care. Bye.